Ronald Volker won the latest ETS round with Yokomo and LRP Electronics. These are the latest one-up racing stickers. Asti GP Italy 2020 confirmed that Riccardo Berton will be present. Elliot Boots has his 3 SWorkz machines ready for DNC Dirt USA. This is the Hudy adjustable droop gauge 80 to 140 mm. Evo Race Factory presented their latest Formula 1 body, painted with red spirit colors. JConcepts supports Spring Dirt Oval Nationals, a USA exclusive. This is the Tekno RC Alu throttle servo horn. New from Reedy is the Sonic 540 M4 competition brushless motor. Many colors from VP Design Art Painting. This is the WillSpeed Design Take 1 associated mount.